Hello friends, I am fine and I hope that you will be also fine. Today's story topic is King Mir Jafar. Please put on the nice comment, press bell icon and first of all you subscribe my channel so that you will receive my video easily. Thank you friend. Friends, Mir Jafar served as the commander of the Bengali army under Siraj-ud-Dowla, the Nawab of Bengal, but battered him during the Battle of Plassey and succeeded Dowla after the British victory in 1757. Mir Jafar received military support from the East India Company until 1760, when he failed to satisfy various British demands. In 1758, Robert Clive discovered the Mir Jafar had made the treaty with the Dutch East India Company in Kabeer. In the Khoja Walid Dutch he shaped the war also seen in the river Hooghly. Jafar's dispute with the British eventually led of the British in the battle. British Company official Harney Verstey proposed that since Mir Jafar was unable to cope with the difficulties, Mir Qasim, Jafar's son-in-law, should act as the deputy subedar. In October 1760, the company forced him to abdicate in favor of Qasim. Friends, however, the East India Company eventually overthrew Qasim as well due to dispute over trade policies. Jafar was restored as the Nawab in 1763 with the support of the company. Mir Qasim, however, refused to accept this and went to the war against the company. Jafar ruled until his death on 5 February 1765 and lies buried at the Jafarati in Murshidabad, West Bengal. So dear friends, how you like my video? Tell me in comment box. God bless you. So friend, bye. We will meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz.